My people, welcome to another market forecast with the Prosperous Academy. My name is Jeremy Tekle, and today we're going to dive into GU. I have a beautiful double trade, so a buy and a sell opportunity. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, watch this video to the end and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's dive into the charts. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm on the monthly time frame, so we're looking at the macro picture of this thing, and there's no doubt about that we are in a downtrend, right? That's the downtrend. Just want to mark it up for y'all. And on the monthly time frame, what you see is we have a very strong resistance level right here at about 1.27700. All right. Market has rejected it multiple times, left wicks behind it, exhaustion wicks, showing that market actually wants to dive deeper. And the target we are looking at is this fair value gap down here. Actually, market probably will want to come test these lows, but just to be conservative and safe with this trade, we're looking at this fair value gap down here. So that fair value gap starts at 1.18 on the monthly time frame. All right, now going down to the weekly time frame, what can we see? We have taken out this low. It's actually on the daily time frame to be more accurate with it, and this low was very important. Actually, it's these lows as well. So we wanted to have these lows taken out, closed below, because this is the low that market has been struggling with all the time, and this is the high that created this low. So we actually had a very good market structure shift here. Now, ever since that, last week on the market forecast, what did I say? I called out entry from here, sell. Well, we missed that entry. Market didn't come all the way up to trigger our entry, but now we have a different situation. So the situation now is this. Zooming in, first and foremost, where are we? We are in this fair value gap here on the daily time frame. Big, strong ass fair value gap. The market respected very well once before when we had this upswing. And market is inside of it right now, and it will respect it. It will 90% it will reject it and make a little pullback up. And that pullback, of course, what are we looking at? We're looking at this zone right here. This is where we want to enter from, but it doesn't mean that we can't trade this pullback. So what we're looking at right now is this here, 4 hourly, nice candle, nice bullish candle is forming there. Hourly, we're going down to the 15-minute, and this is what we see. We have a market structure shift on the 15-minute. And then we have this fair value gap right here. We also have a fair value gap above it. So what we want to do now is we want to enter for a buy all the way up to this zone here where we're going to sell it from. And this is a swing trade position. So when we enter this trade here, this sell, that's a trade for about 300-400 pips. So the entry here is the pullback into this fair value gap. The fair value gap starts at 1.2327 and goes all the way down to 1.23160, and would look something like this. I would have my stop loss, about 30 pip stop loss below this low, and then my take profit is going to be at, let's go to the hourly so we can see that better, is going to be at this order block that you see right here, and that's about 110 pips. So it's a good enough trade. All right, I can see at the market sentiment also, it's very bullish right now on the short term. We have a lot of volume resting up here, so market should want to pull back all the way up to these levels so that we can get that entry, because there's too much volume laying resting there. And also stop losses. All these people that sold from here, all their stop losses is just above in this area, all right, in this vicinity. So that's what we want to get at, and that's what we want to target. But just to be conservative, we're putting our take profit here. What you can do from here is that you can trail your stop loss if you want to let it run. So that's the trade. Should be triggered basically within an hour or so, if not tomorrow morning. Then that's all I had on GU. I hope you enjoyed this. If you got some value out of this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We streaming live every morning, 8:45 Central European time, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. All free. We're catching these trades live, so you don't want to miss out on that. Trade safe, and with that said, peace out.